I used to eat eggs daily without thinking twice, until I learned how simple mistakes can reduce their nutritional value. Simple science explanation. Protein and nutrients depend on preparation. Eggs are rich in high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals. According to the National Institutes of Health, improper cooking or storage can degrade some nutrients and affect digestion. Mistake 1. Overcooking eggs. High heat can change protein structure, making them harder to digest. Mistake 2. Storing eggs at room temperature for too long. This can increase the risk of bacterial growth. Mistake 3. Using excessive oil or butter. Adds unnecessary calories without improving nutrition. Mistake 4. Peeling hard-boiled eggs too early. May damage the egg and reduce freshness. Mistake 5. Ignoring expiration dates. Old eggs may cause digestive discomfort. Mistake 6. Skipping the yolk. Most vitamins and healthy fats are in the yolk, not just the white. Mistake 7. Combining eggs with high-sugar foods frequently. May affect blood sugar response more than eating eggs alone. Practical tips to eat eggs safely. Cook eggs gently, such as poached or soft-boiled. Store eggs in the refrigerator. Use moderate amounts of healthy oils when frying. Some people may have egg allergies or cholesterol concerns. Effects vary by individual health condition. Consult a healthcare professional before making major diet changes. Tracking progress helps. Notice digestion, comfort, and energy levels after meals. Small changes in preparation can protect nutrients and improve health benefits. If this video helps you learn something new, like and share. Apply these tips for a week and notice the difference. Simple habits make eggs healthier and